Welcome to the show. In today's episode, I'll go teach you how to clean United States Army combat desert boots the United States Army way using PS Monthly preventative maintenance for equipment such as personal equipment and crew-served equipment. These instructions would cover the combat desert boots, which would normally be paired with the ACUs, the Army combat uniform, but would also apply for legacy sand desert boots, contemporary desert boots in tan 499, the legacy Air Force boots in sage green, as well as any other boot that is in compliance with U.S. Army 670-1, which feature a rubber outsole as well as a suede leather top. The tools needed for this are pretty simple. All that's needed would be a stiff nylon brush, some foot powder, as well as some sort of water source of just warm water. Let's get started. So with our brush, we're just going to go and clean the outside of the boots, just get rid of any sort of dust and debris off of it. And one issue is that this boot has some petroleum stains on it, and that is a bit difficult to get rid of. But let's try and just go and do it through this sort of method. That's one thing is that within the instructions and the manual to not use any sort of soap, not use any sort of oils or cleaners or anything with these. Just use a dry brush and a little bit of water. Let's also clean a little bit with these as well. As far as for the cleaning brush, it can be used a old toothbrush. It can be used as you can use a weapons cleaning kit brush for small arms, but make sure that is thoroughly cleaned and not have any sort of carbon or lead or anything on it. Just give it a good brushing. Next, we're going to go lightly rinse the boots with some water. Let's go lightly rinse with some water using our water source. Might be a bit much, but let's go and get some of that dust and stuff off. And it wouldn't be too bad to also scrub a little bit. Okay, let's do the other boots. Now that these are thoroughly rinsed, we're going to go put some foot powder inside. Just because some water may have entered the drain holes, but also you don't want to have moisture just sit around inside the boot, and that could lead to like some very bad foot problems and fungal problems in athlete's foot and other sorts of issues. So let's go put some Put powder inside. And just make sure it gets settled on the inside of them. Okay, now that's done, let's go and put them somewhere to dry. Not in direct sunlight, but either under shade or indoors in a well-ventilated area. Okay, we're out from direct sunlight and we're in a place either under shade or under cover, and we're going to let the boots dry. Don't use a hair dryer or anything like that, just let them dry naturally. After the boots are fully dry, they're ready for use back again. Now, if you do enjoy this video or find it informative, hit that like button and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you think. Read the video description so you can also find a guide which I referenced to for this video. And also financially support me with my Ko-fi link down below, as well as my Amazon affiliate links. If you don't feel like doing that, what's more important for the channel is to comment down below and subscribe and share. Subscribing and sharing and commenting down below and having engagement really means a lot and pushes this video above garbage and slop. Sure, preventative maintenance, it might not be the most exciting thing out there, but it's necessary and often neglected. This video is on the United States way on cleaning the United States Army Desert Combat Boot. Thank you very much for watching. This video is brought to you by Glow So Bright.